G'day, Steve here. Caught you taking a peek at the long split boot. These are unbelievable for people that are dealing with heart conditions and diabetes where blood flow is restricted to the feet, and you can always tell that by the temperature of the legs when they're cold to the touch. The sheepskin boots will maintain limb temperature at 37 degrees centigrade and increase the blood flow like you wouldn't believe. It brings down the swelling or edema in the legs, and these have been designed with a very high top for that swelling or the lump on the top of the foot. People with edema in the feet find it very hard to get into their footwear at times. These completely open up so that you can get fully in to the boot without any injury to the foot. They simply velcro up nice and easily like so, and they will keep your tootsies perfectly warm. The sheepskin split boot is designed for swollen legs and to bring that swelling down and to prevent wounds from occurring. I know you're going to love these. They're going to be just what you need. Get into them. Take care out there.